hello. I just wanted to give a bit of a update on how things have been going with the Engwe EP-2. It's been a few months since I've had it now, and I'd just like to show you the things I've upgraded on it, and well, just in general how it's running, any problems I've had. And well, I have to say I've had no problems at all. It's been absolutely brilliant. No issues, nothing to replace, nothing to repair. It's been a really good bike. So I'll just show you a couple of things that I've improved on it. Well, I say improved, it has improved it. It's improved what is already a pretty good bike. The first thing is the suspension seat post. That's a right must, that is. It makes a hell of a difference. That's by Zoom. It's quite a simple device, but very effective. It certainly irons out the bumps. I did buy a new seat before I got the seat post, but I wasn't impressed at all with it. Didn't really feel any different. Going up to the handlebars, we fitted a bar end mirror. Now it's nothing special, but it does the job, and it was only cheap. Just fits into the end of the bar. It was really cheap, but came in a pack of 2, so it's a spare one. So if it gets broken, it's no big loss. The handle grips, I changed them for these foam type. The other ones are okay, but they're a bit hard. So I bought these were only cheap as well. To be honest, I haven't spent a lot of money at all on any of the things, but these make quite a difference. Obviously I had to cut that one off to make space for the throttle, but all in all, another cheap and easy upgrade. What else have we got? Let's move around to this side, and look at the sprocket. The original is a 1428, so we've got 14 up to 28 tooth. The 14, well, your pedals are going round far too fast really. The 11 makes a hell of a difference. Some people have been having issues with the derailleur catching on the wheel, but as you can see, that's in first gear, and it's probably like a centimetre away from the wheel. If we look down there, it's inside mine. There is a washer or a spacer behind the sprocket, which obviously moves the sprocket further away, which seems to have solved my problem, but apparently a lot of people don't seem to have that washer. It'd be easy enough to replace though, easy enough. Let's move around this side, and we've gone for the X-Tech cable operated hydraulic brakes, front and back. Again, nothing much wrong with the original ones, but they squeal terribly, made a terrible noise. And these, they actually work better. I have noticed a difference, and so much quieter too. Again, price on them They didn't cost much. I'll leave some links below. Most of my things I've got from AliExpress, so I'll leave links below so you can see the various items that you can get. The rear bag, nothing special, does the job, cheap and cheerful, covered in mud. Yes, it's a bit of a muddy day today. Tyres, they've been filled with goop, similar to slime. I was getting numerous punctures. In fact, one day I had 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Wasn't a very pleasant experience. So I bought a 500 milliliter bottle of goop, put 250 in each. There are videos that I've made of these various alterations, so you can check them out, but I haven't had a puncture yet. At least I don't know if I've had a puncture yet. The tyre's not gone flat, which is a good thing. So is it doing its job? I don't know. Maybe I haven't got a puncture. I do want to put some tyre liners in, but they're not cheap, and how effective they are I don't know. Hear mixed reviews on them, so yeah, we'll see about that. I may or may not go down that route. But back to the bike, can't fault it, like I say. It's exceptional value, nothing's broke, and I do mainly rough tracks like this. I don't do a lot of road riding, so it's getting some abuse, and nothing's happened to it. It's stayed good. It's going to need a good clean today though. Going to need a good clean. So there it is, the Engwe EP-2. Can be purchased from AliExpress. You follow the link below and you'll see just how good value this bike is. And believe me, I've given it some abuse, and it's stood the test of time. Up to yet. Like I say, it's only been a few months, but any initial problems, I think they would have reared their head by now. Right, I think it's time to give it a bit of a ride again. The track is very muddy today, so we'll see how it goes. I've had a couple of skids already, but hey, it's all part of the fun. Let's do it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.